Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the mathematics class of 7th standard on solving simple equation. Solving simple equation is finding the value for the variable in the given equation. Here is the equation x plus 5 is equal to 7. Looking at it, we'll know what is the value of x. That is, value of x has to be 2. Which is the solution, because 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. On both the sides you have 7 and 7. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So 2 is the solution of the equation. But every time it is not possible to tell the solution just by looking at it. We follow either of these two methods, that is balancing method or transposing method. In balancing method, whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you should also do it on the other side of the equal to sign. Let's take an example. X minus 67 is equal to 11 is a simple equation. Now, whatever I do on one side, I need to do it on the other side also in balancing method. So I add 67 to left hand side. So I should also add 67 to the right hand side. Why should I add 67? Because you have minus 67 given, you should do plus 67 on both the sides. Minus 67 plus 67 get cancelled. So x remains on left hand side, which is equal to 78 is the solution of this equation. So we have solved this equation using balance method. Let's take another example. 3p minus 6 is equal to 84. Here 3p minus 6 is on the left hand side and 84 is on the right hand side of the equal to sign. Now to remove minus 6, I have to add plus 6 on the left hand side. So I should also add that 6 to the right hand side. So I can write it as 3p minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 84 plus 6. Minus 6 get cancelled. You are left with 3p is equal to 90. But finding the solution is, I want to find the value of only p. To remove the 3 on the left hand side, I divide it with 3. On the right hand side also, 90 is divided by 3. 3 ones are get cancelled. So on left hand side, you will be left with only p is equal to 3 ones are 3 30s are. So p is equal to 30 will be the solution for this equation. Next we will see solving the equation by transpose method. We have x plus 3 is equal to 10. We need to keep only x on the left hand side by eliminating the 3. To do so, we have to follow certain steps in the transpose method. That is, whenever you have add on the left hand side, when you transpose it to the other side, it becomes subtract. So here you have plus 3 which is added to x on the left hand side. When it is transferred to other side, plus 3 changes into minus 3. So x is equal to 10 minus 3. The plus 3 from left hand side has gone as minus 3 to the right hand side. Similarly, if you have subtract operation on the left hand side, it becomes addition when it goes to the another side. Example, if you have x minus 5 is equal to 12, the minus 5 when it goes to the other side has to become plus 5. So x is equal to 12 plus 5. Remember, addition will change to subtraction and subtraction will change to addition. The transpose method. In the same way, multiplication will change to division. We'll take an example. 2x is equal to 14. As we want only x on one side, we should try to eliminate the 2. Now 2 is multiplied with x. So multiplication when it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So x will be equal to 14 divided by 2. Same way, division will change into multiplication when it is being transferred from one side to another side of equal to sign. X by 2 is equal to 7. Now 2 which is in the division can be transposed to other side as multiplication. So we have x is equal to 7 multiplied by 2. Remember these 4 rules. If it is added, then it changes into subtract while being transposed. Subtraction will change to addition while it is being taken to other side. Multiplication will change to division, and division will change into multiplication. Keeping these rules in mind, let's solve our equation using transpose method. 2x plus 5 is equal to 13. Remember, we want only the variable on one side. So first let me eliminate 5. Transposing 5 to other side, plus 5 will change into minus 5 when it goes from one side to another. You have already seen the rule. So we can write it as 2x is equal to 13 minus 5. Now 2x will be equal to 8. Now we still have 2 on the left hand side, which is multiplied with x. So the multiplication will change to division. We are transposing 2 to other side. So x will be equal to 8 by 2. That is nothing but x value will be equal to 4. Hope you have understood both the methods. Now try this in your activity book. Solve the following equation using transposing and balancing method. That is, y plus 3 is equal to 12. 2x by 3 is equal to 18 and 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.